Hey guys, how are you doing? Good afternoon. It is quarter to one in the UK, and we have news in about 40 minutes. So I just thought I'd come on beforehand and have a quick look at what's going on. Um, so we ground up at the beginning part of London, and we came into our little red box, and we got short. Certainly didn't come as far as I thought it would. I thought it might at least make that um, uh, single print. Sorry, I had a brain freeze. A single print there. Um, Still might. I mean, there's nothing stopping it. You know, this turns into that, turns into this. Just be aware of that. So this is our first take profit anyway. So we'll see a little five wave complete here. Probably we take profit here. Hopefully you got in near the top, so you can take your stop loss to break even. And we wait and see. Um, Ideally, what we have here is that's completed whatever the three wave move was there, and then off the top we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have another little three wave back, and then we drop again into here and do the same, and then that would complete that, and then we can look for a long. But with the fact that the Donald man is off to China, the fact that we've got instability in the UK because of the Prime Minister and all that malarkey, doesn't surprise me that we've not had that much action from London today. Um, However, we did get our little short. Congratulations if you took it. All right, so let's have a look at oil. Um, Currently stable, but I still think we come higher. DXY really hasn't moved since this morning, so it's just it popped up a little bit, did it? That's the hour, so yeah, it's just moved up a little bit, and I suspect it might continue to grind. um, I think the NAS is going to take another leg up now. We came into, that's the 618 of that little move down. I'm assuming that's the 618. Is it the 618? Yeah, you go. That's 618, and it's a little support line here, so maybe this now, between now and New York, this dribbles up, and then we'll see what we get from that. So yeah, so let's have a look for, let's see if we can get this, and then we can get that. I mean, the thing is, this could take this could take forever, right? Because there's no, you know, because of China and that meeting, I don't think anybody's interested in moving the markets. We do have news at 1:30 UK time, right? That's the CPI, PPI. Sorry, if this comes in hot, we're going to get a little bit of a market dump, I believe. Okay, because it will just confirm the continuation of the process that we're probably not going to get any Fed cuts anytime soon. So be aware of that. And that is it really. You know what, guys? You've got to say that, it's Wednesday and we have actually had a trade every day. Um, we pulled this short out here. Where were we on Monday? That was Sunday. Monday we dumped, and we pulled up a long from in here. So we have had something every day that we can hang our hat on. It's just not very big, and that's the problem. It's just not it's not those nice big juicy trades that we've come to expect. But it is market conditions, I'm afraid. There's nothing we can do about it. We just have to trade what we see. Um, let's hope that we get down here before the weekend. Maybe that's a gig. Maybe, you know what, we're gonna spend the next 3 days just chopping into here. And then on Friday, Trump's going to say that, him and China are best buddies and they're going to have the best trade agreement ever in the world. And, somehow things are better than they look, and that will then spark the market to drive price back up again. I think we're very, very, very news driven right now. Okay, so there we go. All right then, guys. Well, listen, in the Discord as usual. All right, love you lots. Tally byes.